We're cutting across. Opposition leader TTP Chief Chandrababu Naidu stages a protest at Tirupati Airport. In fact, a large contingent of police force deployed at the airport there as police citing COVID-19 guidelines, COVID-19 pandemic guidelines in place, and election code of conduct as well for municipal elections. And therefore, the opposition party has been denied permission to protest. And now we hear heated arguments taking place between Chandrababu Naidu and the police there. Here we're looking at TDP Chief Chandrababu Naidu now staging a protest at Tirupati Airport. Opposition leader, a large contingent of the police now, police force deployed at the airport as police citing COVID-19 protocols and guidelines in place along with the election code of conduct for municipal elections. And now the police have denied the opposition their permission to protest. Heated arguments currently taking place between the cops and Chandrababu Naidu. Let's take a listen.
నేషనల్ కార్యక్రమం పర్మిషన్ అంతే కదా. నేను కలెక్టర్ని ఎస్పీని ఇక్కడ ఎస్పీని ఒకరు కన్ఫర్మ్ చేయండి. ఐ వాంటెడ్ టు మీట్ దెమ్. నేను ఇక్కడ ప్రెసిడెంట్ వచ్చాను. నేను చెప్పనండి, నేను చెప్పాలి కదా. ఏం జరిగింది, ఎందుకు వచ్చి చెప్పాలి కదా. కాదండి, నేను ఎందుకు వచ్చాను చెప్పాలి కదా. నేను నన్ను అరెస్ట్ చేసి తీసుకోండి, కొట్టేయండి. లేమంటే ఏంటంటే మీరు ఏంటిది? వాట్ ఈస్ దౌర్జన్యం? దౌర్జన్యం కదా అది. ఫండమెంటల్ రైట్స్ లేదా నాకు కలెక్టర్ కలవడానికి? వాట్ ఈస్ దిస్? ఏంది ఈ దేశంలో ఏమైంది? నేనే హత్యపోతున్నానా? 14 సంవత్సరాలు సీఎంగా పనిచేశానయ్యా, ప్రతిపక్ష నాయకుడిని. ఏం తమాషాలు ఆడుతున్నారు మీరు? నన్ను ఎందుకు డిటైన్ చేసి చెప్పండి. నువ్వు పర్మిషన్ లేదు, నేను ఎస్పీ తిరిగిపోతాను. కాదండి, ఎవరన్నా పిలిపించడానికి నన్ను?
Arguing with the police, in fact, saying very clearly that this is his fundamental right to protest. He says that he has the right to protest. He has the right for peaceful protest, and the police can't touch him. He says he's already been the chief minister, and he knows exactly what the rights for the citizens are. And as per his fundamental rights, he's allowed to sit in protest. He asks the police not to touch him. He's going to be sitting in peaceful protest. Here's Chandrababu Naidu there, TDP chief in Andhra, the opposition leader, former chief minister, staging a protest at the Tirupati airport. Large contingent of police there forcing Chandrababu Naidu to leave from the spot. Of course, Chandrababu Naidu hell-bent on sitting right there. He stays put and almost yells at the police for even coming close to him, saying it is his fundamental right to protest peacefully. And he has been the chief minister and he knows very well the rules of it. And he asks the police not to touch him, almost daring the police, if at all they touch him, they would have it. Ashish joining us for more details on that. Ashish, we heard Chandrababu Naidu arguing with the police. We're looking at COVID protocols in place. We're looking at the election code of conduct in place owing to municipal elections there. And yet Chandrababu Naidu refuses to budge. Take us through the reason for the protest here and what's his conversation while he argues with the police.
So, leader of opposition, former chief minister of Andhra Pradesh, Chandrababu Naidu, is staging a protest inside Reninginta airport of Tirupati International Airport. And there, the reason is that he is not allowed by the police to go outside. Chandrababu Naidu is scheduled to hold a protest meeting in Chittoor district. The reason of this protest meeting is that the opposition party is alleging that ruling party and their activists are targeting opposition party workers and supporters. During the recently held panchayat election also, the opposition leaders and opposition supporters faced attacks and several irregularities. In fact, Chandrababu Naidu also wrote to the state election commissioner asking him to investigate all these allegations, protect the opposition party workers. Today, Chandrababu Naidu wanted to hold a protest in Chittoor district, but the administration has denied the permission. They say that South Zonal Council meeting is scheduled in Tirupati, where all the Southern State Chief Minister is expected to participate in that meeting. Union Home Minister Amit Shah will also participate in the meeting. That is one reason, and second reason is prevailing COVID-19 situation. But Chandrababu Naidu is saying that while the ruling party and their leaders are roaming freely, holding all kind of political meeting, why only he is getting all the restriction, and all the restrictions are why only imposed on TDP party workers and TDP party leaders and TDP party meetings. So clearly it's a face-off between ruling party and opposition party. Remember, Chittoor is the native of Chandrababu Naidu. He hails from Chittoor district, Nabila.
Right. If you could take us through this argument that's taken place, I'd like to raise the volume here once again. We're hearing Chandrababu Naidu almost threatening and pushing away the police. The police are folding their hands, requesting Chandrababu Naidu not to protest there because there's COVID guidelines in place, and you've also got the Election Code of Conduct. At a time like this, at the airport, Chandrababu Naidu creates a ruckus, wants to sit down in symbolic protest, says it's his fundamental right.
ఫండమెంటల్ రైట్ లేదా నాకు కలెక్టర్ కలవడానికి? వాట్ ఇస్ దిస్? ఏంది ఈ దేశంలో ఏమైంది? నేనే హత్యపోతున్నానా? 14 సంవత్సరాలు సీఎం గా పనిచేశానయ్యా, ప్రతిపక్ష నాయకుడిని. ఏం తమాషాలు ఆడుతున్నారు మీరు? నన్ను ఎందుకు డీటెయిల్ చేసి చెప్పండి. నువ్వు పర్మిషన్ లేదు, నేను ఎస్పీ దగ్గర పోతాను. కాదండి, ఎవరన్నా నువ్వు పిలిపించడానికి నన్ను? ఏంటి మీరు? ఏంటిది? వాట్ ఇస్ దౌర్జన్యం? దౌర్జన్యం కదది? ఫండమెంటల్ రైట్ లేదా నాకు కలెక్టర్ కలవడానికి? వాట్ ఇస్ దిస్? ఏంది ఈ దేశంలో ఏమైంది? నేనే హత్యపోతున్నానా? 14 సంవత్సరాలు సీఎం గా పనిచేశానయ్యా, ప్రతిపక్ష నాయకుడిని.
To have it, Chandrababu Naidu there almost reminding the police that he's been the chief minister for over 14 years. He says that, asking the police, in fact, show me your permission letter. What permission do you have to remove me from this spot? It's my fundamental right. I'm allowed to protest here. Almost yelling at the police officers for wanting to do their duty, because the Election Code of Conduct, we believe, for municipal elections is in place. There's also COVID-19 guidelines and protocols. Yet Chandrababu Naidu pushing to carry out a symbolic protest there at the Tirupati airport. Ashish, take us through again what exactly was the discourse between Chandrababu Naidu and the police there.
నువ్వు పర్మిషన్ లేదు, నేను ఎస్పీ దగ్గర పోతాను. కాదండి, ఎవరన్నా నువ్వు పిలిపించడానికి?
All right, we're going to try and patch Ashish again, but here's Chandrababu Naidu very strictly warning the police on the fact that he has been the chief minister himself for years, at least over a decade. He says that he knows very well what exactly the rules are. Let's take a listen. Chandrababu Naidu warning the police not to touch him.
ఏంటిది? వాట్ ఇస్ దౌర్జన్యం? దౌర్జన్యం కదది? ఫండమెంటల్ రైట్ లేదా నాకు కలెక్టర్ కలవడానికి? వాట్ ఇస్ దిస్? ఏంది ఈ దేశంలో ఏమైంది? నేనే హత్యపోతున్నానా? 14 సంవత్సరాలు సీఎం గా పనిచేశానయ్యా, ప్రతిపక్ష నాయకుడిని. ఏం తమాషాలు ఆడుతున్నారు మీరు? నన్ను ఎందుకు డీటెయిల్ చేసి చెప్పండి. నువ్వు పర్మిషన్ లేదు, నేను ఎస్పీ దగ్గర పోతాను. కాదండి, ఎవరన్నా నువ్వు పిలిపించడానికి నన్ను?